So here's the latest new update from 70mai, and I personally have been waiting for this kind of an announcement from quite some time. Well, 70mai has announced a new camera, a new dash cam, a very super premium camera called as the 4K T800. Just wait, T800, does that sound familiar?
I'll be back.
Yes, that's the one. Well, the Arnold Star movie Terminator had a character called as T800, and the 70mai camera is also named on the same character, the T800. And what makes this camera so different and so special is that this is the most premium offering from 70mai up until now. So this is the first ever triple channel dash cam to get dual 4K dual Starvis2 sensors for front and the rear, which also gets a full HD interior or the cabin camera. Now 70mai had recently launched a dual Starvis2 camera called as the 70mai Omni 4K, which had the Starvis2 IMX678 at the front with a 360-degree rotatable design, along with the Starvis2 IMX662 for the rear camera. But in this case, they have upped their game and they've brought in true 4K resolution for both front and the rear, along with Starvis2 IMX678. Now this is the best possible resolution, the best possible sensor you can get for any dash camera in the current market. Now along with it, they've even added a cabin camera with 4 infrared lights, so you have that complete view of the cabin, and of course having a 3-channel setup, which means you have near close to 360-degree coverage of the car. Another good thing to note is that HDR is supported on all 3 channels, which means front, rear and the interior get HDR capabilities. Now this camera also gets a dedicated parking mode backed with AI motion detection, which we just similarly had seen in the 70mai Omni 4K, wherein the Omni 4K had a 360-degree rotatable design which could track the people along their movement. This is a static camera, but of course it's going to track the people within its frame of reference and it's going to record the video. Now along with AI motion detection, this also gets a collision detection and buffered emergency recording, wherein it's going to record 10 seconds prior to the incident and even 30 seconds after the incident has occurred. Now the buffered parking mode is a very important feature and most previous gen cameras do miss it out, but the T800 has got it for you. This camera also gets Wi-Fi 6 high transfer speeds of up to 40 megabytes per second. Now this also gets a car battery voltage monitoring, which means you can access and view the battery voltage variation within the 70mai app. Now do note that this works only with the dedicated hardware kit, which you probably have to purchase separately. This camera also gets voice control, this gets a super capacitor, this gets built-in GPS, built-in ADAS, and also supports picture-in-picture view. So this camera, since it has 3 different camera views, you can easily view all of them together simultaneously on the display with the picture-in-picture mode, and of course you can even switch between various different views along with each individual view within that particular frame of monitor. Moving on to the detailed specifications of this camera. Now the front camera offers native 4K 3840x2160p at 30 frames per second, backed with the Starvis2 IMX678 with the same frame rate, same resolution and same sensor for the rear camera as well. That's the RC41. And of course the interior camera shoots a full HD 1080p resolution at 30 fps, but they haven't mentioned the particular sensor used for the interior or the cabin camera. The field of view is close to 146 to 147 degrees for all 3 cameras. The aperture size is about f1.7 and all 3 cameras support HDR. Now it's a great thing to note that manufacturers are now realizing that the rear camera quality is also equally important along with the front camera, and 70mai providing 4K resolution with Starvis2 sensor at the rear, same as the front, goes to show how they have even evolved along with the needs of their customers. Now, of course, all of you might be asking, so when is this camera launching in India? What is its price? Well, there is no official info on this. I have inquired with them. There is no current information on when it's going to launch or what the pricing might be. But based on my estimates, this should launch in about 3 to 4 months, probably in India. And the pricing part, taking a look at the 70mai Omni's pricing, which comes at a price of what, 35,000 rupees for the dual channel setup. But of course, that's a 360-degree rotatable design. This doesn't have that. So considering that this too should come within that similar range, within 30 to 40k, somewhere around that. Well, let's hope this comes around the price bracket of 30 to 35,000 based on all the features and based on the kind of quality 70mai is known for. Now, of course, this would be an awesome camera, an awesome addition to those who are looking for the finest front and the rear camera quality and also interested in recording some cabin footage as well. along with the brand backing of 70mai. Now, if you are interested in checking out some more info on this camera, I've given you the link in the description. Do go ahead and check it out right there. And of course, if you want to have the latest updates on the launch of this camera, its pricing and all the rest of the details, make sure you're subscribed to my channel right now. Smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy some super premium dash cameras. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
I'll be back.
What?